I told you AEO exists. Today, I'm showing you how to make Google's AI recommend your business, step by step, starting right now. We are moving past the era of simply ranking for a keyword. Answer engine optimization is about organizing your data so that models like Gemini and ChatGPT can easily extract and cite your brand when a user asks a question. Conceptual knowledge doesn't drive traffic. To see your brand in a generated answer, you have to execute these structural changes at the keyboard level on your high-priority pages. This adjustment ensures that as search becomes more conversational, your brand remains a visible part of the journey, instead of being filtered out by the machine. You cannot optimize signals you cannot see. That makes an initial citation audit your mandatory first step. Open Google AI Overviews, ChatGPT, and Perplexity. Type in your highest intent commercial questions. Things like, what does HVAC repair cost in Dallas? When the AI generates its response, look closely at the footnotes. If your competitors are cited in those little superscript numbers and your brand is absent, you have a structural gap. Pick exactly one high-value, underperforming page on your website. We are going to use that single page as the baseline to fix right now. Pinpointing these specific competitor citations reveals the exact points where your data is failing to be retrieved and recommended. Generative AI reads differently than traditional search bots. It does not evaluate your entire web page holistically. It extracts distinct semantic chunks of information. Step 1 to fixing your page is rewriting your subheadings. You need to convert generic labels like "our pricing" into explicit, high-intent user questions, such as "how much does X cost?" Next is the atomic answer rule. You must place a direct answer spanning exactly 40 to 60 words immediately below your new question heading. This text cannot contain vague introductory fluff or narrative marketing language. Get straight to the facts. Finally, follow that atomic answer with an ordered or unordered HTML list. This makes your operational steps or features highly scannable for the machine. This precise definition-to-list structure organizes information into the semantic fragments AI models hunt for, reducing the friction for citation. Once your text is structured, you need a translation layer. Schema markup is the code that converts your human-readable text into verified entities for the AI's internal knowledge graph. You might have heard that FAQ schema is dead because Google removed visual FAQ chips from the search results in May 2026. The visual chips are gone, but the code remains vital. AI engines still actively hunt for hidden FAQ page schema to verify facts and direct answers. To deploy this, navigate to any free, no-code schema JSON LD generator online. Take the exact question-based headings and atomic answers you just wrote and paste them into the generator tool. Copy that newly generated code block and paste it directly into your web page's header or HTML block via your content management system. Injecting this machine-native language feeds the AI's verification engine, helping anchor your brand's data as a trusted primary source. Broken code is worse than no code at all. Validation is a mandatory final step before you close out this workflow. Run your updated URL through Google's Rich Results Test or the schema.org validator to confirm your FAQ or article tags are active. Because AI crawlers operate on their own refresh cycles, these structural changes require time to propagate. Monitoring your citations over the coming weeks will reveal how the engines are reevaluating your pages. Maintaining technical patience through this initial verification phase is required to secure the long-term visibility benefits of these updates. The steps for optimizing your visibility are now in your hands. Starting this process today puts your data in front of the crawlers while your competitors are still relying on traditional rankings. Which step are you implementing first? Restructuring content or schema markup? Tell me below and I'll check in on your progress in the next video. Executing these steps today takes your business from a wall of unreadable text to a structured, citable source that AI models can recommend.